Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. So, this recorded video we are discussing second quiz answer key. That means we are conducted a short test from the topics 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3 from the course Mathematics for Computing, Math 2101. So let us discuss the questions from that short test. So quiz 1 answer key, here we are discussing mathematics for computing. The topics are 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. So let's start the questions. What are the questions was in second quiz, that short test. There are questions from the topics basics of counting, Pigeon hole principle and permutations and combination. These three topics. Okay, that means the fourth module, counting, 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. So let's start the questions here. We'll go to the first question. Question number 1. In how many ways can 5 people, in how many ways can 5 people be seated in a car with 2 peoples in the front seat and 3 peoples in the rear, if 3 peoples out of the 5 are eligible to drive? So this is the question here. Okay, so in how many ways, we need to calculate the number of ways. Okay, 5 peoples be seated in a car. Okay, we have 5 seats in a car, 2 peoples in the front seats, including driver. Okay, 2 seats in the front and 3 in the rear. But there is a condition, 3 peoples out of 5. Totally we have 5 peoples. Okay, and 5 seats are there. But 3 peoples out of 5 are eligible to drive. Okay, because the first seat, driver seat, we know, the eligible people only can drive. Correct? They should have license. Correct? So same like if 3 peoples out of 5 are eligible to drive, so how many ways the peoples can sit in the 5 seat? This is the question here. So as per the question, we have 5 peoples. Okay, keep in your mind, we have 5 peoples. So we have 2 seats on the front side. So I am just representing by boxes. Okay, so these 2 seats, for example, this is the front seats. Okay, the seats in the front side. Now another 3 seats we have back side. So first one, this is the second, and this is the third seat from the back side. Okay, so these seats I am writing, this is the rear seat or back seats. Okay, now we will go to that question. We will answer the question here. For example, this is the driver seat. Okay, so what is the question? In how many ways can 5 peoples, we have totally 5 peoples are there. Okay, 5 persons are there, we have 5 peoples are there, be seated in a car with 2 peoples in the front seat. Okay, so here one person will sit, here one person will sit, 2 peoples on the front seat and 3 peoples in the rear seat. So here one, here one, here one. Okay, so 5 peoples are there, 5 seats also there, if 3 peoples out of 5 are eligible to drive. Okay, so driver seat, 3 peoples are eligible to drive. Okay, so this is what the question we need to do here. So for example, we consider the driver seat. How many possibilities are there inside the boxes? See, I am putting here 5 boxes, 5 seat representing 5 boxes. Now each boxes we need to write the possibilities, how many possibilities in each boxes. Okay, so for example, in the driver seat, how many possibilities are there? There are 3 peoples out of 5 are eligible to drive, means there are 3 possibilities we can take in the first seat. Okay, that means the driver seat. Okay, the 3 people out of 5 are eligible to drive, means 3 possibilities are there. Okay, so definitely we have 3 possibilities, but how many persons will be there in the seat, driving seat? One person only will sit. Correct? So remaining how many persons are there? We have 4 persons, correct? So one person will be the driver, correct? But we have 3 possibility, but inside the box always we are writing the possibilities, okay? So we have 3 possibilities, but one person only will sit at a time. So remaining how many peoples are there? We have 4 peoples are there, correct? So the second seat, how many possibilities are there? We have 4 possibilities. All 4 are eligible to sit in that seat, correct? There is no restriction in that seat. So what happened actually? There is one person driver seat he sit, and one person he is seated in the second seat. So how many possibilities are there in the third seat? We have 3 possibilities, correct? So one person here in driver seat, one person here, and one person here means how many possibilities there next seat? There are 2 possibility, correct? And last seat, how many possibilities there? 1 possibility is there, correct? So as per the multiplication rule, we studied in the counting section 4.1 the multiplication rule. By using the multiplication rule, totally how many ways they can sit in the car in the 5 seat, okay? These 5 peoples, we just multiply this number, 3 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, okay? So we will get the answer equal to 72 ways, okay? How many ways we can sit? 72 ways they can sit inside the car, under the restriction that only 3 peoples are eligible to drive, okay? Driver seat, only 3 possibilities. So this is what our question here in the first question. I hope you understood this one. Now this question we can do in another way also. For example, in the first seat, okay, another way, okay, I am telling the another way. In the first seat, how many possibilities are there? There are 3 peoples are eligible to drive, correct? So 3 multiply. Now how many seats are there totally? Now we have 4 seat, correct? We have 4 seats, and how many peoples are there? 4 peoples are there, correct? So 4 peoples in 4 seat, okay, because one person seated only in the first driver seat. There are 3 possibility, but one person at a time they are sitting, correct? So one person already seated means there are 4 peoples and 4 seat remaining, okay? So 4 people, 4 seats, how many ways we can arrange this one? How many permutations we can create? We know that one, it is 4 permutation 4, correct? 4 seat and 4 people, okay? So 3 multiply 4p4, 3 multiply 4p4, you can check by calculator. 3 multiply 4p4 also equal to 72 ways. So these 2 ways we can do this question, okay? Either you can do by that box method, directly we will get the answer equal to 72, or we can do the second way like this, 3 multiply 4p4, that equal to 72 ways. I hope you understood this question. So we will go to the second question now. Question number 2. How many 4-digit even numbers, okay? How many 4 digits even numbers, okay? How many digit we needed? 4 digit. For this is the first digit, second digit, okay, third digit, and fourth digit, okay? We have 4 digit, okay? So how many 4 digit even number, okay? You know what is the meaning of even number? Even number means, for example, 12 is an even number, correct? 14 is an even number. For example, 252 is an even number, correct? If you take a 4 digit, for example, 9526, it is an even number. So how we are identifying even number? Last number should be even. For example, 2 is an even number, correct? 14, 4 is an even number, that means 14 is an even number. 252, 2 is an even number, that means 252 is an even number. 9526, last digit is an even number, so it is an even number. So like that we are identifying even number. We can divide by 2, that is the simple meaning of even number. Odd number, how we are identifying? For example, 13 is an odd number. How it is 13 is an odd number? Because last digit is an odd number. 3 is an odd number, correct? Same like, for example, 75 is an odd number because 5 is an odd number. So like this we are identifying the even number and odd number. So anyway, we are coming to this question. Here this question is, we need to, how many 4-digit even number? 4-digit even numbers can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We can use only these 8 numbers, okay? Using these 8 numbers, how many even numbers of 4 digit can be formed? if no digit being used more than one times. That means repetition not allowed. Okay, no repeat. Okay, repetition not allowed. So like that, how many ways we can create 4-digit even number? This is the question here. So we will see here. So 4-digit even number means, I told you the meaning. Even number means last digit should be an even number. Then only that number will be an even number. Correct? So out of 1 to 8, what are the even numbers? Here it is 2 is an even number. Correct? 4 is an even number. 6 is an even number. 8 is an even number. Correct? So how many numbers are there? There are 4 numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. So last digit of that number should be either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Then only the 4-digit number will be an even number. Correct? So last digit, how many possibilities are there? You can think about last digit. We have 4 possibilities. Okay, we have 4 possibilities, either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So 4 possibilities we have. But how many numbers we are writing? We are writing only one number. Correct? We have 4 possibility, but one number we are writing. Okay, we can write these are the possibilities. Okay, I am just noting here, these are the possibilities. But how many number we are writing at a time? Only one number. For example, if you write it 2, okay, we are writing only 2 that time. Correct? So one number only we are writing at a time. So remaining how many numbers are there? Totally we have here 8 numbers. Correct? Now one number we are writing in the last even number position. For example, if you write it 2, how many numbers are remaining? There are 7 numbers are remaining. So that 7 numbers we can write in the before digit. Okay, repetition not allowed. Correct? So before digit how many numbers we can write? 6 numbers. Correct? Before digit how many numbers we can write? 5 numbers, because repetition not allowed. For example, one number if you write here, okay, remaining 7 numbers only, that number here writing. Okay, remaining how many numbers? 6 numbers only, that you can here 6 possibility here. Remaining how many numbers? 5. So 5 possibilities here. Okay, so 7, 6, 5. This 7, 6, 5 we can write here 7 if you want, 7, 6, 5 like this. Okay, I'm just writing the how many possibilities in each box. Okay, so 5 multiply. So as per the fundamental principles of counting or multiplication rule, what are the total number of y's? 5 multiply 6 multiply 7 multiply 4. Okay, that means you will get 840. Okay, 4-digit even numbers can be formed. 840 ways we can form 4-digit even numbers. So this is the question here. Okay, hope you understood this question. Okay, only the last digit there is some restriction. Last digit there is some restriction, only we can write the even numbers there. So even numbers means we have 4 even numbers given. So 4 possibilities, only 4 possibility. Okay, but how many number we are writing at a time? One number, we can assume like that. So remaining 7 we can write here, remaining 6 here before, remaining 5 before. So multiply, we will get 840 ways. So 840 4-digit even numbers we can form by using the numbers 1 to 8. Okay, now let me go to the third question. Question number 3 now here. Okay, this is from the pigeonhole principle 4.2 section. Okay, pigeonhole principle. First 2 question already we did from 4.1 section. Now this is from 4.2 section. The manufacturing company has total 37 employees. Okay, keep in your mind 37 employees distributed over 4 department. Okay, 4 department. What are the 4 department? HR department, marketing department, sales department and technical support department. Show that means answer is there. Show that, what we need to show? At least 10 employees. Okay, answer will be 10. 10 employees working in one of the department. That means either HR department or marketing department or sales department or technical support department. One of the department, at least minimum 10 employees will be working in one of the department. That is the answer here. We need to show that one. Correct? So this is by using a pigeonhole principle. You know, when we are doing pigeonhole principle, we need to know number of pigeons. Correct? We need to know number of pigeons. Okay, and we need to know number of pigeonholes. Number of pigeonholes. Now here number of pigeons means number of employees. Okay, employees we are taking here the pigeons, and pigeonholes means we are taking the departments. Okay, how many departments? 4 departments, like this. Okay, departments. So number of PGNs here, number of PGNs we are representing by n letter, n equal to 37 employees or 37 PGNs. Number of PGN holes, how many departments? We are representing the M letter, M equal to 4. We have 4 departments. One is HR, second one is marketing, third one is sale and technical support. 4 departments are there. Always PGN number will be more and PGN whole number will be less number, small number. So 37 PGNs, that means employees, 4 department. Now we need to show this one, at least 10 employees working in one of the department, correct? So we need to show that one. So as per the PGN whole principle, correct? So by PGN whole principle, by PGN whole principle, what is the principle? PGN whole rule, ceiling function n by m, correct? One of the PGN whole should contain ceiling function n by m PGNs. So that is the PGN whole principle. So what is the ceiling function? N means 37 divided by m means 4. So what is that number? You can check by calculator. So ceiling function 37 by 4 means 9.25. Ceiling function means we will take the next integer number. If it is a point number, take the next integer number. So 9.25. After that, what is the integer number is coming? That is 10. Okay. So 10 PGNs. 10 PGNs means 10 employees. Okay. 10 employees. Always this number is number of PGNs. Okay. Keep in our mind, it is PGN number. So what is the answer we got? At least 10 employees working in one of the department. That means HR, marketing, sale or technical support department. Out of 37, at least 10 will be one of the department. Okay, one of the given 4 department. So our answer is correct. That is what show that. Show that means the answer we need to show that answer is correct or not. At least 10 employees working in the one of the department. So we got the same answer. 10 employees are working in, at least 10 employees are working in one of the department. Hope you understood this question. Now we will come to question number 4. So question number 4 from 4.3 section, permutation and combination, that section. So we will do this question. For question number 4a, how many arrangements? Arrangement means we know the permutation. Okay, permutation. Arrangement means permutation. Okay, how many permutations can be made with the letters of the word benevolent? Okay, BENEVOLENT. How many arrangement we can made by letters of this word benevolent? Okay, so we will go that one. So first of all, we need to identify the letters. Okay, second part of the question. After that, we need to do how many of these words have their last letter will be L. Okay, like that, how many words we can create that one. Okay, so let me start the question. So first we have the word benevolent. I am just writing B letter. It is coming one time, correct? So here B letter is there. Now E letter, how many times it is coming? E letter 1, 2, 3. 3 times it is coming. N letter we have 2 times, correct? You can cross here, so it will be easy to that one. V letter it is coming 1 time. O letter 1 time, and L is coming 1 time. T also 1 time. Okay, so totally how many letters are there? We can see 3 plus 2 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. So total number of letters n equal to 10. N we are representing by n. Totally 10 letters are there. N equal to 10. And also you can see this word benevolent. Okay, this word benevolent, it is not distinct. Okay, not distinct. Why not distinct? Because some of the letters are repeating. For example, E repeating 3 times, correct? If letters are repeating means we are telling not distinct. E repeating 3 times, n repeating 2 times. Okay, so it is not distinct. Distinct means each letter will come at least only one time. Each letter will come only one time. That is meaning distinct. Not distinct means some letters will be repeating. So e repeating 3 times, n repeating 3 times, 2 times. So we will do the first part of the question. What is the first part of the question we need to do? How many arrangement, how many permutation, how many arrangement can be made with the letters of the word benevolent? That means benevolent, each letter, if you are writing, for example, T first, N first, E first, like that, how many permutation, how many arrangement we can create? So we can find the A part of the question first. Total number of arrangement or total number of permutation. Total number of arrangement. Total number of arrangements equal to. So if the letters are not distinct, we studied a rule for finding number of arrangements. What is that one? N factorial divided by P1 factorial multiply P2 factorial multiply P3 factorial, like that it is continuing, correct? So equal to, here for example, here n means 10, we have 10 letters are there, so 10 factorial divided by P1 means the first letter, how many times it is coming, P2 second letter, third letter, that how many letters, how many times each letters are coming. Okay, so when you are writing, for example, P1 1 factorial, no need to write 1 factorial because 1 factorial is same as 1. It will not affect our calculation. So only the repeated number we can write. For example, E repeating 3 times, so we can write 3 factorial, P1 factorial, P2 factorial, P3 factorial, like that. These numbers 1 3 2 1 1 1 and 1, but 1, as I told you, no need to write because 1 factorial is 1 itself, so it will not affect the calculation. Now 3 factorial multiply the 2 factorial, because E repeating 3 times, N repeating 2 times, all other letter only 1 time, so no need to write. 3 factorial multiply 2 factorial. So you can check this value from calculator. So you will get the answer 3024000. These many ways totally we can arrange the word benevolent. Okay, total number of arrangement or total permutation can be created. The letters of the word benevolent is 302400. The too many arrangement we can create that one. Hope you understood the first part of the question. Now what is the second part of the question? Out of these many arrangement, out of 302400, correct? Out of these many arrangement, okay, how many words have their last letter L? Last letter L, how many words will be there out of this? Out of 302400, out of that one, how many words will be we can arrange their last letter should be L, like that. Okay, so we will go to the second part of the question, the B part of the question. So what is our question actually? We have like this, we can create the last letter should be L letter. Okay, but here L, how many times it is coming? Only one time only L, correct? Here you can see. So I am just writing like this, L top I am writing just one, just for understanding how many times that letter is coming. L only one time. Now what are the remaining letters? You can see what are the remaining letters I am writing in the first box. Okay, what are the letters? B1, E3, B 1 time, E 3 times, N 2 times, V 1 times, O 1 times, and T 1 times, correct? Like this one. So like this, how many permutations we can create, how many arrangement we can create. So when we are doing this question, you can see last letter, how many possibility? Only one possibility, because only letter L, only one. Last letter should be L, correct? So how many possibility is there? Only one possibility. So 1 multiply. Now here how many ways we can arrange? B, E, N, V, O, T. These letters, how many ways we can arrange? Different way. T you can write first, or you can write first, V you can, N, E, B. These letters you can write first, like that you can shuffle. How many arrangement we can create in the first part? So you can count that one. For example, how many letters are there here? See, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. So how many are there? 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters are here, correct? 9 letters. Is it distinct or not distinct? Not distinct, because E letter is repeating 3 times, N letter is repeating 3 times, correct? So I am writing here this part is not distinct, correct? Not distinct, because E letter is repeating, N letter is repeating. So if it is not distinct, how many permutations we can create? We studied the rule, correct? What is the rule? That one, n factorial divided by p1 factorial multiply p2 factorial multiply p3 factorial, like that, correct? So here when we are writing, what is the n? How many letters are there? 9 letters. So 9 factorial divided by which letters are repeating? E letter repeating 3 times, so 3 factorial multiply n letters how many times? 2 times, so 2 factorial. Okay, 1 no need to write, as I told you. So 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiply 2 factorial. This many ways we can arrange the first part. Second part already L is fixed, only one L only, so one possibility. So when we are multiplying these two, you will get totally how many ways you can create, how many letters, how many words we can create with the last letter L. So we can multiply by using calculator. So you will get it 30240 ways we can create. Okay, these many ways we can create the words with the last letter L. I hope you understood the question here, the B part. So these are the two part here. First we are doing totally how many arrangement we can do. Second question is last letter L, how many permutations we can create. So I hope you clear that question. Now we'll come to the question number 5. This is also from 4.3 section, from combination. Okay, before fourth question was from permutation, this is from combination. Okay, same 4.3 section. So what is the question here? A sales team of 4 persons, a sales team of 4 persons from a group of 12 salesmen and 8 saleswomen, okay, is formed. In how many ways can this be done if you want at most 2 women in the team? Okay, so what is the question actually? You can term by term you can identify the question. You need to read it 1 or 2 times for understanding that question. For example, our question, we have 12 salesmen. Okay, 12 salesmen. I am representing M. M means salesmen. Okay, and we have 8 saleswomen. 8 saleswomen. Woman I am representing by W. So 12 men is there and 8 women is there. Okay. Now from the sales team, this is the sales team. It is 12 salesmen and 8 saleswomen. From this I want to create a sales group of 4 persons. Okay, 4 persons sales group I want to create. Say for example, some familiar peoples, we are selecting 4 peoples at a time. Okay, from 12 men and 8 women we are selecting 4, like a committee, sales committee or sales group. Okay, so what happened out of these 4, when selecting, there is a condition. Is that, what is the condition? If you want at most 2 women in the team, at most 2 women. Okay, out of these 4 people, what is the condition? That one, at most 4 women should be in, 2 women should be in that committee. At most 2 women should be there in the team. Okay, that is the question. What is the meaning at most? At most means maximum. Okay, so keep in your mind that word at most means maximum. So maximum 2 saleswomen should be there in that 4 team committee. Okay, so like that. Now maximum 2 women means what are the possibility? You know what are the possibility actually? Maximum 2 women means I am writing that one, possibilities. Okay, possibilities are, what are the possibilities actually? Maximum 2 means the possibility is 0, either 0 or 1 or 2. Maximum 2, more than 2 not possible. 2 women maximum. Okay, so I am writing what is the possibility actually? First possibility, for example, there is no woman, 0 woman. Okay, so that time how many men will be there? 4 men will be there, because we are selecting 4 peoples totally. So 0 plus 4, when we are adding these two number, you need to get 4, the same number 4. Okay, because we are selecting 4 peoples. Out of that 4 people, 0 woman, there is no saleswoman, but 4 salesmen is there. This is one of the possibility. or what will be other possibility? You can say, what is the other possibility? It has one saleswoman and 3 salesmen. Okay, so why it is like that? Because one woman plus 3 men also, how much we are getting? 1 plus 3 means same 14 we are getting. Okay, you can see this number 0 1 2 maximum, at most 2 means 0 1 2. So 0 woman, 1 woman. Now what is the next possibility? We can write 2 women, correct? So 2 women means how many men will be there? 2 men will be there, because 2 plus 2, correct? This 2 plus 2, again it will go 4. 4 person only we are selecting. Okay, so these are the possibilities. So whenever you are getting a question like this, committee forming question or team creating question, okay, combination. So this question always you need to write the possibilities. What are the possibilities? At most means maximum that number. Okay, so maximum 2. At least means minimum that number. Okay, for example, at least 2, if it is asking what is the number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay, so keep in your mind this one. Now I am calculating the number of ways, total number of ways. Okay, so number of ways equal to how many possibilities are there here? Here 3 possibility. First we have one bracket, 0 woman 4 men, there is one possibility. Second one, 1 woman and 3 men, another possibility. And third one, 2 women and 2 men, another possibility. In between or means plus. Okay, so 3 bracket like plus will come, or see first possibility or, second possibility or, third possibility. So instead of or, always use the plus symbol. Okay, now 0 woman, see I will give the idea here. See, 0 woman 4 men. Okay, so this is comma meaning and, 0 woman and 4 men. And means always we are using multiply. Or means already I told you, or means plus. Okay, and means intersection, or means union. These symbols always keep in your mind. Okay, now we are going to calculate 0 woman and 4 men. How we are writing that one? 0 woman, out of how many women? We have totally how many saleswomen is there? 8 saleswomen. So we have out of 8 saleswomen, 0 woman we are selecting. Selecting means combination. So 8 0. Out of 8 saleswomen, 0 saleswomen we are selecting. 4 men. Okay, 4 men we need to select. Out of how many? We have 12 salesmen. Okay, so out of 12 selecting means combination. How many? 4 selecting. And see, I told and, comma means and, so multiply this one. So and means multiply. So 8C0 multiply 12C4. This is the first bracket actually. Hope you understood how we are writing that one. So I am writing here that same case, 0 woman out of 8. So 8C0 multiply, comma or and means multiply, 4 men out of 12. So 12C4. Now plus, or means plus, the second, 1 woman out of 8. So 8C1 multiply 3 men out of 12. So 12C3. Okay, 12C3. Now 2 women out of 8. So 8C2 multiply 2 men out of 12. So 12C2. 12C2. Okay, hope you understood this one. Now you can use the calculator. I am writing just answer here. You can check you can verify the answer. Okay, I am doing in the video. So any mistake, just to verify that one. For example, first bracket when you are simplifying, you will get 495. 8C0 multiply 12C4 means you will get 495, plus second bracket when you are calculating 1760, you will get it, plus third bracket when you are calculating 4103. So totally how many ways we can form 4-person sales group? Adding these, you will get 4103. Check the number in calculator. Any error, just correct it. Okay. So this is the 5th question. I hope you understood the idea of the question. How we are doing like committee forming question or sales team selecting the question. Okay, like these questions. So these are the 5 questions in the second quiz or second short test from module number 4. I hope you understood the questions. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes. Thank you very much.